Every single year, millions of tons of plastic waste are dumped into our oceans. But today we are turning this environmental crisis into a new beginning. These discarded remnants of our modern lives float for decades, yet they are not just waste. They are the raw materials for a sustainable fashion revolution. The call from the deep is clear, demanding a solution that bridges the gap between industrial necessity and the urgent need for global ecological preservation and restoration. We introduce a sanctuary of innovation where technology meets the tide, a place where the cycle of pollution ends and the journey of rebirth finally begins. This high-tech facility stands as a beacon of hope, utilizing renewable energy to transform the very pollutants that once threatened our delicate marine ecosystems and shores. A welcome to the future of circular economy, where every discarded bottle is a promise of luxury, durability, and a cleaner, much greener world for everyone. Inside our facility, the process begins with total precision, using a sophisticated network of conveyor belts and intelligent systems to handle vast amounts of ocean plastic. Advanced optical sensors and robotic intelligence allow us to categorize waste with 99% accuracy, ensuring only the finest polymers proceed to the next critical stage. This meticulous sorting is the foundation of purity, separating clear plastics from colored ones to maintain the highest standard for the premium fabrics we eventually create. Cleanliness is paramount in this transformation, as powerful high-pressure jets strip away years of salt, sand, and organic debris accumulated during the plastic's long journey. Every fragment is washed multiple times in a closed-loop water system, ensuring that the final output is free from any impurities that could compromise the fabric. Once purified, the materials are compressed into dense, clean blocks, creating a striking contrast between the original messy waste and the organized potential of recycled matter. These blocks represent the first successful step in our journey, moving from the chaos of the ocean to the controlled excellence of modern, high-end textile manufacturing. The transformation intensifies as powerful blades shred the clean plastic into millions of tiny flakes, breaking down the old form to make way for the new. These flakes are the DNA of our future thread, meticulously prepared to undergo a physical change that will alter their properties and their destiny forevermore. Transported through pneumatic systems, the flakes are kept in a sterile environment, moving toward the heart of the plant where extreme heat will perform its miracle. Inside the high-precision melting chambers, temperatures are carefully regulated to liquefy the polymer without degrading its molecular strength, a delicate balance of science and engineering. The solid plastic becomes a translucent, flowing liquid, purified further by advanced filtration systems that remove even the smallest microscopic particles from the molten stream. This liquid gold is then extruded into fine strands, solidified instantly to preserve its integrity, preparing it for the final transformation into high-grade industrial polymer pellets. Precision cutters produce millions of identical pellets, each one a concentrated capsule of recycled material, ready to be spun into the finest threads for global fashion. These pellets are the international standard for recycled polymer, glowing with a pearlescent sheen that signifies their exceptional quality and readiness for the high-end textile market. Stored in massive silos, this wealth of recycled material stands as a testament to what technology can achieve when focused on healing the planet and its oceans. We now enter the most delicate phase of production, where the science of spinning turns raw polymer into a material of unparalleled softness and incredible tensile strength. Through microscopic spinnerets, the molten polymer is transformed into filaments thinner than a human hair, creating a web of fibers that are both incredibly lightweight and strong. Each filament is a masterpiece of molecular engineering, designed to mimic the luxurious feel of natural silk, while providing the durability required for modern, high-performance apparel. Thousands of spindles spin in perfect harmony, winding the newly born thread at breathtaking speed, creating a visual symphony of white light and rhythmic industrial movement. The result is a yarn of exceptional purity, with a consistent diameter and smooth surface that allows it to be woven into fabrics of the highest possible caliber. Quality control is constant, ensuring that every meter of yarn meets the rigorous standards of the world's most demanding fashion houses and high-end luxury designer brands. These threads are now ready for the loom, carrying with them a story of survival and transformation from the depths of the sea to the peak of fashion. By twisting multiple filaments together, we create a yarn that is soft against the skin, yet tough enough to withstand the rigors of high fashion construction and wear. This is the magic of modern technology, where what was once considered ocean waste is now a precious resource, ready to grace the most prestigious fashion runways. And that our spinning hall is where the physical meets the ethereal, producing miles of sustainable yarn that will soon be woven into the very fabric of a greener future. The rhythmic dance of the loom begins, as thousands of recycled threads are meticulously interlaced to form a fabric that is as beautiful as it is sustainable. Every pass of the shuttle builds a narrative of renewal, creating intricate patterns and textures that rival the finest traditional textiles in both appearance and tactile feel. Human touch confirms the machine's success. The fabric is incredibly soft, possessing a natural drape and a cool, breathable quality that defines modern luxury fashion standards. Designers around the world are embracing this revolution, finding that sustainability does not mean compromising on elegance, style, or the artistic vision of their high-end collections. From the ocean floor to the atelier, every stitch is a commitment to a better world, proving that we can create beauty without harming the planet we inhabit. This suit represents more than just style. It is a symbol of a circular economy where fashion serves as a force for good, protecting our oceans and heritage. High fashion has a new heart, one that beats for the environment, proving that the most glamorous garments can also be the most responsible and eco-friendly choices. As the lights hit the runway, the world sees the culmination of this journey, a triumphant display of how innovation can turn a global crisis into artistic excellence. The backdrop of a healthy, thriving ocean reminds us of why we do this, connecting the garments on stage to the very life they help to protect and sustain. Our mission goes beyond fashion. It is about harmony between industry and nature, building a world where we leave no trace and only beauty behind for generations. Thousands of tons of plastic have already been reclaimed, and millions more will follow as we scale our technology to heal every corner of our blue planet. This is the journey of rebirth, a testament to human ingenuity and our unwavering choice to use technology as a tool for healing and preserving our precious home. From ocean waste to high-end fashion, we are weaving a sustainable future together. Join us in our mission to dress the world in hope and responsibility.